Okay, so now it's time for room and board expense. One major expense of your trip will be room and board. That's where you're going to stay and what you're going to eat. MTV is providing you with the following options for food, lodging, and baggage. So you're going to choose one option from each category. You'll notice I already chose mine. That way it'll go a little bit faster for you guys in the video. But you do not have to choose the same thing all the way down. You can mix and match. Just know that food, if you choose luxury, you have to keep luxury for the whole trip. If you choose lodging, you have to choose lodging for lodging. If you choose standard, you have to choose that for the whole trip. So there's no mixing and matching. Be like, I'm going to go luxury one day and then campground the other. You can't do that. You have to pick with one and stick with one. So because we are 3 teachers who are traveling on MTV's dime, we decided to go luxury for all 3. So when it came to food, I chose the luxury, which is $200 per day. That's high quality cuisine. Then you have the standard, which is like family style dinners, $100 per day for each person. And then economy would be dollar menu food, $25 per day for each person. And then, so we chose luxury because we love food. Bring on that high quality and fancy restaurants. We want it. We love it. And so that's $200 per day. So for me, it would be 200 times my 5 days, which would be $1,000. For all 3 of us, that would be $3,000 in food. Then when it came to lodging, you had the options of a luxury suite that holds 8 people. And then that's $500 per day. You have the hotel room, which would be $100 per day, holds 4 people. You could also do 2 hotel rooms if you have more than 4 people. And then the campground, so 4 people and $25 per day. And we're going luxury. You know, we like the outdoors, but we also like plumbing and air conditioning and some room service more. So we're going $500 per day times 5 days. So for just me alone, it would be 500 times 5, which is 2,500. And that's going to be the same for all of us because we all can stay in that room together. So then for baggage, we chose designer luggage. But there's also high quality duffel bags, which is $75 per person. Or we have plastic bags, which will cost you no money. So we chose, again, the luxury option because we're teachers. We're on a teacher salary. We would love for MTV to pay for our designer bags so that way then we can use them when the show ends. So we're going to do $300 for just me, but for 3 people, it would be $900. And so when you add them all up, and you're going to have to add them all up, you get that this is going to cost us $6,400. Now it's your turn.